Okay, and we're back with the you try, and hopefully you did well on them. Let's get to it and see how you did. And number 7, the first thing we do is look for the highest exponent, and the highest exponent in both polynomials is an x squared. So I'm going to circle the 3x squared and the 2x squared, and I'm going to add those, and that's going to give me 5x squared. The next thing I'm looking for after x squared is just regular x's. So I've got a minus 5x and a positive 8x, and I'm going to add negative 5 plus 8, and that's going to give me 3x positive. So I need to put a plus sign there. The last thing is no x's, and when there's no x's, we're looking for constants. So I have 10 plus negative 40, and 10 plus negative 40 is negative 30. So my final answer is 5x squared plus 3x minus 30. Now we're going to move on to number 11. Now number 11 is a little different because it's not in standard form to start with. So you have to really be careful that you're looking for the highest exponent and that you're starting there. In number 11, our highest exponent for our left polynomial is to the third power. And on our right polynomial is still to the third power. So we're going to take 7x to the third plus negative 7x to the third. Now this is interesting because a 7 plus a negative 7 cancels. So we're just going to cancel those out. You don't write anything because they're gone. They're wiped out. It's 0. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for x squareds. So for x squareds, on our left polynomial, we have a positive 6x squared, and on our right polynomial, we have a positive 6x squared. So when we add those together, that's going to give us 12x squared. After x squared comes x, so we're going to look at 4x positive and negative 4x. So a positive 4x added to a negative 4x cancels again. So those are wiped out. We don't write anything because that's 0. And then finally, we're looking at our constants. Those are no variables. So that would be 1 plus 5. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So our final answer for this big, long monster here is 12x squared plus 6. Hope you did okay. If not, go back and try and watch the video again or contact me with questions. We're moving on to distributing an outside negative.